The morning air was heavy with the scent of wet earth. Rain had fallen in the night, leaving the palace gardens glistening in the pale light of dawn. Jungkook stood before the mirror in his chamber, fingers tightening around the edge of the carved wooden frame. He looked at his reflection, a prince in every sense, dressed in silk of deep sapphire, his long hair tied back with a golden clasp, the faint flush of nerves coloring his cheeks. Jungkook, why am I nervous? He thought bitterly. He had spoken before to generals, to foreign dignitaries, to elders who carried the weight of the kingdom's future. Yet today, he felt like a boy again. The palace corridors were nearly empty at this hour. Only the servants moved quietly, carrying water jars or sweeping the tiled floors. The sound of Jungkook's steps echoed softly. Jimin, ever watchful, hurried beside him. Jimin, where are you going so early, Your Highness? Jungkook, to see the warriors. Jungkook replied, his voice too casual to be natural. Jimin raised an eyebrow but said nothing. Instead, he offered a quiet smile and slowed his pace, as though granting the prince his space. Jin and Minnie, who were arranging flowers in the side hall, called greetings, but Jungkook only nodded in reply. By the time he reached the outer courtyard, the air was alive with the sharp clash of metal. There he was. Taehyung stood in the training ring, his black armor gleaming where it caught the morning light, a blade in hand. Sweat traced down his temple as he moved, each strike of his sword precise, each step calculated. Namjoon, Yoongi, and Hoseok circled him in a 3-on-1 sparring drill. Namjoon's powerful strikes met Taehyung's parries like crashing waves. Yoongi's sudden, silent lunges tested his reflexes. Hoseok darted around like quicksilver, fast but never careless. Yet Taehyung, he moved as though they were children with wooden sticks. Effortless, inevitable, unshaken. Jungkook stood at the edge of the ring, his hands curling into fists at his sides to keep them from trembling. Taehyung paused to adjust his grip, and sunlight slipped over the edge of his jaw, glinting across the thin scar that ran from his cheek to his neck. A mark of battle, of victory, of pain. Jungkook's lips parted slightly, his breath catching as he whispered to himself. Jungkook, even his scars are beautiful. Jimin, Your Highness, you shouldn't be here again. The king will, came Jimin's quiet, worried voice from behind. Jungkook, I know, but tell me, Jimin, how can one not watch the sunrise? Jungkook interrupted softly, not taking his eyes off the field. Jimin sighed, defeated. Jimin, he's not the sunrise, Kuki. Jungkook's voice trembled with a small, sad smile. Jungkook, to me, he is. The spar ended with Taehyung disarming Namjoon in a single twisting move, his blade stopping just before the other man's throat. Namjoon let out a sharp breath, smiling faintly in defeat. Namjoon, as always, you make the rest of us look like fools. Taehyung sheathed his sword, glancing briefly toward where Jungkook stood. For a heartbeat, their eyes met. The prince's chest tightened. Gathering his courage, Jungkook stepped forward. The warriors noticed immediately. Yoongi straightened, Namjoon inclined his head respectfully, and Hoseok smiled in greeting. Your Highness, Namjoon said. Good morning, Jungkook replied, though his gaze never left Taehyung. Jungkook, I wished to thank you. Jungkook began, his voice softer than intended. Jungkook, for your service to the kingdom. Taehyung's expression did not change. His dark eyes were unreadable as he bowed slightly, his movements sharp and formal. Taehyung, it is my duty, Your Highness. I require no thanks. The words were like a wall, cold, polite, unyielding. But Jungkook had expected as much. Jungkook, I've seen you train before. Jungkook continued, ignoring the heat rising to his cheeks. Jungkook, you fight with great skill, and with purpose. It is admirable. Something flickered in Taehyung's eyes at that, too quick to name. But his reply was clipped. Taehyung, a sword has no purpose beyond its wielder's command, my prince. Jungkook hesitated, the words heavy in his throat. He had planned to speak plainly, to ask if Taehyung might join him for tea one afternoon. But faced with that cold gaze, his courage faltered. Still, he could not retreat now. Jungkook said slowly. Jungkook. I thought, perhaps you might walk with me in the gardens, when your duties allow. The air there is calmer than the barracks. And, he swallowed. Jungkook. I would like to know you better. The other warriors glanced at one another subtly, sensing the tension. Taehyung's answer came without pause. Taehyung. That would not be wise. The words were not cruel, but they cut all the same. Jungkook blinked, his lips parting slightly. Jungkook. Why? Taehyung. Because there is nothing for you to know of me. Taehyung said, his voice low but firm. Taehyung, and because such meetings would serve no purpose for either of us. Namjoon shifted uncomfortably. Yoongi's gaze flickered to Jungkook. Unreadable. Hoseok looked down at his boots. Jungkook, I don't believe that. Jungkook said quietly, almost to himself. Taehyung, with respect, Your Highness, I must return to my duties. Taehyung inclined his head once more, already turning away. Jungkook stood there as Taehyung walked away, the morning light catching in his dark hair before the barracks door closed behind him. The prince's chest ached, not from humiliation, but from the certainty that beneath that armor and discipline, there was more to Taehyung than the man allowed anyone to see. And Jungkook, he would not let this beauty end. From the shadows of the courtyard, Jimin's voice came softly. Jimin, you won't give up, will you? Jungkook turned, his jaw set, his eyes still fixed on the path where Taehyung had disappeared. Jungkook. No, he said, almost a whisper. Jungkook. I can't. It had been 7 days since that first rejection. 7 mornings where Jungkook's gaze found the training grounds at dawn. 7 evenings where his thoughts drifted back to the man with the unreadable eyes. The sensible thing would have been to obey Taehyung's unspoken command, stay away. But Jungkook had never been good at letting go of something that gripped his heart. And Taehyung had not left his heart since that first glance. Day 1, the first morning after, Jungkook had sent for Taehyung, formally this time. A servant was dispatched to the barracks with a sealed note in the prince's hand. A cup of tea in the southern gardens, if you will allow it. Jungkook.
अंध भी आज चुप सा है, रात कुछ कहना चाहती है, दिल की हर एक धड़कन में तेरी ही आहट आती है। सदियों से बंद था जो दिल, तूने उसे छू लिया। मैं तो था बस एक साया, तूने मुझे जी लिया। In these silent palace walls, I was lost, I had no voice. Then you came like destiny. Now my heart has made a choice. पर ये दुनिया समझेगी नहीं, ये रिश्ता मानेगी नहीं। हर नजर में एक सजा है, हर कदम पे है गुनाह। If loving you is a sin, then let me be a sinner. तेरी बाहों में ही मेरी सारी दुनिया है forever। चाहे दुनिया साथ ना हो, चाहे मौत ही क्यों ना मिले। If loving you is a sin, I'll choose you till my last breath। तू है मेरी रोशनी, मैं अंधेरों का शहर। तू है मेरा सुकून, मैं अधूरा सा सफर। लोग कहते हैं ये प्यार सिर्फ एक पाप है, पर जो दिल महसूस करे क्या वो भी खिलाफ है। I try to walk away from you, try to bury what I feel, but every path I ever take leads me back to something real। क्या खता है जो दिल ने की क्या सजा है, जो मिल रही बस तुझे जाना ही तो है, फिर क्यों ये जुर्म बना। If loving you is a sin, then let me be a sinner. तेरी सांसों में ही मेरी हर धड़कन है forever। चाहे ताज भी छूट जाए, चाहे जान ही क्यों ना जाए। If loving you is a sin, I love you anyway. The human highness, loving me is a sin. हम गिर भी गए तो क्या, साथ गिरेंगे हम। अगर जलना है तो फिर एक ही आग में चलेंगे हम। Even if the world breaks us apart, even if fate turns cruel, I'd rather die in your arms than live without you. If loving you is a sin, then let me be a sinner. तेरे बिना ये जिंदगी लगती है बस एक जहर। चाहे दुनिया खिलाफ हो, चाहे सब कुछ खो जाए। If loving you is a sin, I'll choose you every lifetime। चांद गवाह है इस रात का, तारे भी चुप हो गए। दो दिल जो एक हो गए, दुनिया से जुदा हो गए। If loving you is a sin, then let me be the sinner. If loving you is a sin। अंध भी आज चुप सा है, रात कुछ कहना चाहती है। दिल की हर एक धड़कन में तेरी ही आहट आती है। सदियों से बंद था जो दिल, तूने उसे छू लिया। मैं तो था बस एक साया, तूने मुझे जी लिया। In these silent palace walls, I was lost, I had no voice. Then you came like destiny, now my heart has made a choice. पर ये दुनिया समझेगी नहीं, ये रिश्ता मानेगी नहीं। हर नजर में एक सजा है, हर कदम पे है गुनाह। If loving you is a sin, then let me be a sinner। तेरी बाहों में ही मेरी सारी दुनिया है forever। चाहे दुनिया साथ ना हो, चाहे मौत ही क्यों ना मिले। If loving you is a sin, I'll choose you till my last breath। तू है मेरी रोशनी, मैं अंधेरों का शहर। तू है मेरा सुकून, मैं अधूरा सा सफर। लोग कहते हैं ये प्यार सिर्फ एक पाप है, पर जो दिल महसूस करे क्या वो भी खिलाफ है। I try to walk away from you, try to bury what I feel, but every path I ever take leads me back to something real। क्या खता है जो दिल ने की, क्या सजा है जो मिल रही बस तुझे जाना ही तो है, फिर क्यों ये जुर्म बना। If loving you is a sin, then let me be a sinner। तेरी सांसों में ही मेरी हर धड़कन है forever। चाहे ताज भी छूट जाए, चाहे जान ही क्यों ना जाए। If loving you is a sin, I love you anyway। that human highness. Loving me is a sin. हम गिर भी गए तो क्या साथ गिरेंगे हम, अगर जलना है तो फिर एक ही आग में चलेंगे हम. Even if the world breaks us apart, even if fate turns cruel, I'd rather die in your arms than live without you. If loving you is a sin, then let me be a sinner. तेरे बिना ये जिंदगी लगती है बस एक जहर. चाहे दुनिया खिलाफ हो, चाहे सब कुछ खो जाए. If loving you is a sin, I'll choose you every lifetime. चांद गवाह है इस रात का, तारे भी चुप हो गए. दो दिल जो एक हो गए, दुनिया से जुदा हो गए. If loving you